Hello guys! Welcome back to Dark Angels Intuition. Welcome back to my channel. Ang gagawin ko ngayon is the monthly reading for all of you guys. Anong kailangan yung malaman for the month of November. So, let's start with the Aries sign. Anong kailangan yung malaman for the month of November. So, take note, Aries, hindi lahat ng Aries maka-resonate sa reading na to. So, take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, cross watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Aries sign. So, put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo naka-resonate. If hindi kayo naka-resonate Aries sign, please do check your other placement and panoorin nyo yung reading ninyo doon. Dahil pwedeng makakonect or maka-resonate kayo doon. Okay, kahit hindi kayo kahit naka-resonate kayo dito, pwede pa din kayong mag-watch ng other placement signs ninyo kasi pwedeng mag-connect doon yung reading ninyo. So, let's start, Aries. Okay, so this is for Aries people. Ano ang kailangan yung malaman for the month of November? So, titignan muna natin, guys, kung ano ang nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. Okay? And this is a love reading, guys. So, Aries for the month of November. Aries, communication. Good news. See, kasasabi ko lang ng communication, I open the communication card. What is happening right now, Aries? Okay, there is a good news. I think na merong babalik sa inyo or bumabalik sa inyo ngayon because this is what happening sa inyo right now. Somebody is manifesting you back into their life, Aries, and this person is already like communicating with you, but I don't think so na parang, I think you don't want to accept the offer because like you don't feel it anymore. Okay, you don't feel the vibe. I can see you would just wanted to be honest in this situation. This is someone matured, someone responsible, or may responsibility siya sa inyo. This person is offering a second chance to you, guys. You might be dealing here with a Libra, Virgo, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Capricorn, why? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aquarius sign. So, or same Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Hindi pa siya naka-move on from you. Like, iniisip niya pa din yung situation ninyo. However, kaya nag-o-offer siya ng new beginning with you or sa second chance. But you feel so confused this time na bumabalik itong person na to. Kasi, para sa'yo, you have been through it. Parang napagod ka na. Napagod ka na sa kakahintay, sa kalaban. Parang para sa'yo is like, anong ka pa naman din sa sitwasyon na, should I let go or move or hold on or give a chance? But you don't feel like this time na bigyan siya agad-agad ng second chance kasi parang hindi mo pa na-appreciate yung mga nagawa niya sa'yo, but then adun ka sa point of confused. Yeah, kasi yun nga, so confused ka. I can see that kailangan mo na talaga ng a lot of effort, improvement from this person bago siya makakuha ng approval mo. So let's see. Okay, titignan natin ano yung feelings ng person mo ngayon. Anong feeling ni person towards you this time? Is this real or no? So, itong person na to, alam alam niya na sobra kang nasaktan recently, or vice versa, okay? Pwede, cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo to, or vice versa. And doon siya sa point na nararamdaman niya na parang you wanted to move forward and never look back from this relationship anymore. So, pero andun pa din siya sa point na I will going to try dahil gusto niya ng second chance ka. Gusto niya ng mabalik kayo sa dati. Mabalik yung happiness ninyo, yung sparks ninyo. And really, this person wanted to have a second, like, a changes in your relationship. Na alam niya kasi naging unfair siya lately. So, gusto niya parang bumalik at mag-ayusin ng mga dapat ayusin. Hindi siya na, parang na-bothered siya nung time ata Aries na parang pinapakita mo na okay ka and you are doing well this time na wala siya. That you are like enjoying your life kahit na wala siya. Parang na-bothered siya na parang no, hindi pwede to. Hindi pwede na hindi ako maging part ng life niya. And hindi pa naman siya totally na nakamove on from you. Kaya naisip niya na baka there is still second chance. Yun. Na-miss niya siguro na to be with you. Let's see. What is your feeling here? Your feeling towards this person. Your feelings towards this person. I told you. Confused ka. Kasi however, na dun sa part mo na parang gusto mo pang bigyan ng second chance. Na dun sa part mo na parang you wanted na baka maayos pa. Pero confused ka. Like, trap ka sa situation. Somehow, parang feeling mo na baka magiging tanga na naman ako sa sitwasyon na to. Baka masasaktan na naman ako. So, nagmo-move on na ako this time. Parang hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. If I will going to accept the offer or no. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. I'm so trapped in this situation. So, you might have a Libra, Taurus in your chart. So, check your placements. Or you might have a Gemini, Virgo in your chart or Capricorn. Hindi ka nakakatulog sa gabi. Sobrang bothered ka sa mga nangyayari. Hindi ka talaga sure about accepting this offer. Hindi ka sure. Kasi isa dito, parang grabe yung pagwasak na nangyari. Grabe yung betrayals na binigay niya. Though, para sa'yo yon, masakit yung ginawa niya sa'yo. So, let's see what you need to know this month of November about the situation that you have right now. What you need to know for the month of November. Aries. Okay. Unsureness. See? So, may mangyayari talagang unsureness sa part mo. Still about the offer. Kasi it's almost November, so could be very fresh na hindi mo talaga alam pa rin. Okay, hindi ka pa naman nag-let go, pero hindi ka pa din talaga sobrang nag-move on. I mean, hindi ka pa talaga nag-let go, pero you don't want also to hold on this time because you are already in a process of moving on. Na dun ka na sa point na yon. So, hindi ka sure, may mga options kang iniisip or may mga options kang pagpipilian, a decision, hindi ka pa nakapili even this November, andun ka pa sa point of you are still gathering more information about this person, how true he or she is this time sa pagbabalik niya sa'yo. So, this November, andun ka sa point of nagiging Detective Conan ka. You are gathering some information about this. Like, example, hindi na ba niya ako niloloko? Wala na ba siyang ka-fling-fling-fling? So, you are watching the social medias, asking about their friends, or anything, you are being high priestess, maybe. So, kasi confused ka eh. And you are waiting for a sign. Might be you are praying, you are asking for a sign, kasi andun ka sa point na might be merong cheating nangyari before, and you are like not sure if this person is already like changing, nagbago na ba siya, totoo na ba yung pagiging matured niya this time, sa pagbabalik niya. So, this November, ganito yung mga nangyayari sa'yo. Okay, so, let's see. I will going to do this reading, okay, this whole reading for November, for zodiac signs. Tingnan natin kung ano yung gusto talaga niyang sabihin sa'yo. Okay. Okay. Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? So, you might also be dealing here with Pisces sign. Okay, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Check your placement, guys. I am still very much connected with you. I wanted us to be happy. I wanted to pursue you. Gusto ko magkaroon tayo ulit ng celebration. Alam ko minsan nung time na naghiwalay tayo, I gave up on the fight kasi napagod ako. Napagod ako sa pagtatalo natin, sa away natin. This is just not my vibe na hindi ko carry yung palaging nag-aaway. Okay? So, Aries cross-watchers, okay? Pero I am so very much into you still. Okay, gusto pa rin talaga kita, and alam ko meron pa rin akong confident pa rin ako na meron ka pa din connection, like connected ka pa rin sa akin. Alam ko may nararamdaman ka pa din sa akin. I see you as someone who can take care of me, someone who is very generous and supportive, someone who is so kind person. And while I am watching you on social media or anywhere, I'm just observing you, and parang nakita ko like you are already enjoying your life, enjoying yourself, and I miss being a part of you. Okay? Gusto ko maging honest this time sa'yo. Gusto ko maging sincere na this time sa'yo. Alam kong naghintay ka sa akin before. Naging unfair ako sa'yo before. Alam kong nasaktan kita before. Kaya naiintindihan ko yung nararamdaman mo. But this time, I wanted to do an effort. I've been planning for this. So, I wanted to do an effort towards you. Kahit pa sabihin mo na ayaw mo akong tanggapin, or feeling mo, hindi mo alam, hindi ka sure na tatanggapin mo ba ako. Just wanted you to know that nung time na nawala ka sa buhay ko, nung time na nagkahiwalay tayo, I feel so empty. I feel so lost. And I think about you. I'm so sad na nangyari sa atin to. So, I'm very much sorry about being so high standard person, ma-pride. Pero pinag-isipan ko talaga tong desisyon na gagawin ko na to. Like, hinanap ko yung sarili ko, hinanap ko yung enlightenment ng buhay ko, and nag-fall siya into you still. Sorry. At ikaw pa din. So, I'm still willing to fight for our relationship. So, yun yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo. Okay, so, you might be dealing with the Gemini, Virgo, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Aries sign. That is my reading for you for the month of November. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Thank you and God bless.